Hi there everyone, my name's Eeshira and I'm absolutely passionate about the power of sound healing to bring us back to a deeper connection with ourselves. As we tune in with our earth, we can feel more connected to the earth, more rooted like this beautiful tree. And so many of the challenges that we face in today's society can be a thing of the past. So I invite you to come on a journey for this video series, which covers many of the different challenges we face in our life today. Simply by the use of the voice, by the use of certain breathing, by the use of certain visualizations, we can shift our state in just a few minutes. Using sound frequency with things like tuning forks can also be hugely helpful because this can easily reset our energy, rebalance our brain, uplift our mood, help us feel more energized. If we have a headache, it can clear out a headache very quickly. And so it's a beautiful tool to deal with the busy lives and stressful lives that many of us are experiencing today. Not only can it help with that, but it can also help us more deeply tune in. The planet is going through a massive shift, and so are we. And at this time, it is very helpful to have some tools that can really get the job done, can help us tune in on a happier, healthier, more connected, more in tune, spiritually unified, blissfully unified life. So I invite you to join me. The link is after this video. Thanks so much for watching. Wishing you a loving and peaceful day.